Elevate your Webflow website by seamlessly embedding videos with a custom play button, transforming your content into a professional and interactive viewing experience. Let's dive into how to achieve this effect first. Open your Webflow project and navigate to the page where you want to add your video. From the Add Elements panel, drag and drop an embed element onto your canvas. This is where we'll house our video player. Now, we need to get the embed code for our video for this tutorial. We'll assume you're using a video hosting service like YouTube or Vimeo. Go to your video on the hosting platform and find the Share option from there. You'll select the embed code. Copy the entire embed code, provided it will contain all the necessary information to display your video on your site. Switch back to Webflow and paste the copied embed code into the Embed Code section within the Element Settings panel. You'll now see a preview of your video player, however. It's currently playing automatically or showing the default play button of the hosting service. To add our custom play button, we'll drag a div block directly over your video. Embed this div block will act as our overlay. With the div block selected, go to its style settings. We need to position this div block to cover the entire video player. Set its position to absolute. This allows it to float over other elements. Then set the top, left, right, and bottom properties to 0. This will stretch the div block to perfectly cover the video embed below it. Crucially, ensure the video embed's position is set to relative for this to work correctly. Now, inside this div block, add an icon element. You can find this in the Add Elements panel. Choose a play button icon from the library. Style this icon to be prominent, perhaps by increasing its size and choosing a color that stands out against your video thumbnail. Use the alignment settings for the div block to center your play button icon both horizontally and vertically. For the div block, ensure its container is set to center, and then center its text alignment. This guarantees your play button is perfectly placed. You can also add a subtle background to your div block, like a slightly transparent dark color, to make the play button pop even more. Now, go to your embed elements settings. Crucially, change its position to relative. This tells the absolute positioned div block to anchor itself to the video embed. With this setup, the div block will sit on top of your video. To make it functional, let's add an interaction. Select the div block, click Add Interaction, and choose Element Trigger. Select mouse click as your trigger. Choose Start an Animation. Create a new animation and name it something like Play Video. In the animation timeline, select your video embed element. Here's where we get clever. For the first frame of your animation, set the embed element's display to none. Then, on the subsequent frame, set its display back to block. This initial hide and show action will effectively trigger the video to play. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom play button overlay to your embedded video in Webflow. Now, when visitors click your custom play button, your video will load and play, offering a polished and engaging experience.